granddaughter, Haley Rose, who is keeping everybody up. We hope it continues to be fun because that is a very special blessing there, Bill. Hey, thanks for the call and your song from Billy Joel on the way. We'll also do Supertramp, both within the next 5 minutes.
Hello, my name is Amy and I work at Lowe's. Come into Lowe's today through August 1st for the Lowe's Floor Event, where you'll find lots of great flooring options for under $1 per square foot. Get Winchester Oak Laminate for just 68 cents per square foot, or find in-stock Stainmaster carpet starting at only 98 cents per square foot. Even Marfil ceramic tile for only 88 cents per square foot. Come to the Lowe's Floor Event and take advantage of these great flooring offers. Lowe's, let's build something together. Offer valid through 8/1/11. Some restrictions apply while supplies last.
Amdro Kills Ants presents the Household Ant Requiem. If you find yourself shrieking in disgust because ants are invading the harmony of your clean kitchen and home, you need Amdro Kills Ants bait stations in tanks inside and outside your house. Amdro Kills Ants is a bait ants love, so they eat it and die. And that's a tune that'll keep your house humming. Find Amdro Kills Ants' entire line of products at a Lowe's near you.
IRN USA Radio Sports. This is Jonathan. There's still a trial while the wheeling and dealing around the NFL as teams continue to scramble to put together a roster. A number of high-profile players will be wearing new uniforms, including quarterback Kevin Cobb, who was traded from Philadelphia to Arizona. Also, running back Reggie Bush, who outlived his welcome in New Orleans, was scooped up by Miami. The Redskins finally ended the Albert Haynesworth stormy tenure in Washington after 2 years by trading the disgruntled defensive lineman to New England. Patriots defensive lineman Ty Warren says it was no secret Albert Haynesworth was not a happy camper in Washington.
From the outside looking in, you can see that Albert wasn't really, happy in his situation.
And the Steelers have cut veteran tackle Flozell Adams. You're listening to IRN USA Radio Sports.
I'm in the I need cordless cutting shears to finish this vent work business. At Granger, we